Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lemon Coders. So this is another update from TCS NQT team. So they are telling that the festivities continue. Grab jobs from top corporates now. This is the heading of the mail, and those guys who have registered for TCS NQT has been receiving this mail from today. That is 8th of November. Okay. So before I tell you what is the notification from TCS NQT and what the students who have given NQT should do now, I would request you to subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you want to apply for more off-campus drives from Infosys, Wipro, etc., and want to get updated with new updates, please subscribe my channel and like this video. So the TCS NQT is currently hiring over 450 top corporates, and they are hiring students who have given TCS NQT and have a good rank. So all you have to do to apply for TCS NQT today. So they are saying that the season of celebration just got brighter and sweeter. So due to the occasion of Diwali, a career opportunity where graduates are securing packages as high as 19 lakhs per annum. If you wish to join them, you have to give the TCS NQT. So this is another advertisement of TCS NQT. So by giving this TCS NQT exam, you would be accessing to 450 plus top corporates who acknowledges TCS NQT score, and we have 35,000 plus job opportunities, 23 plus industries including IT and BFSI, IT digital marketing sales, and the eligibility is criteria extended to 2019 to 2023 batch of students, and students or pass outs from any degree or a stream can apply, and you can take the test from home or the nearest TCS ION exam center. So what you have to do, you have to click on the apply now button and register for TCS NQT. So those students who are worrying that if they have get a TCS NQT good score, then why TCS is sending the mail to them. So for them, I should tell that you don't have to worry. Whatever TCS NQT score you have got, you will be assigned the rank, and TCS team will contact you if you have a good rank. So this is basically an advertisement from TCS NQT for those students who are not aware of the TCS NQT exam or what they can do with TCS NQT exam, because many people feel that TCS NQT exam is for only TCS hiring, but there are for 450 other companies who hire from TCS NQT score. So that's it from this video. If you want to apply for more companies, you can check out my channel Lemon Coders, and please like and subscribe my channel.